Byrna Mission 4 Review, the non-lethal solution. In today's world, where a home burglary occurs every 26 seconds according to FBI statistics, the importance of home defense cannot be overstated. Yet, we live in a litigious society where the line between self-defense and excessive force can often become blurred, leaving individuals who act in defense of themselves or their homes at risk of prosecution for using deadly force. This precarious balance has led many to seek alternative methods of protection that offer both safety and legal peace of mind. Enter the Byrna Mission 4, a game-changer in the realm of home defense. This isn't just another piece of tactical gear, it's a well-thought-out solution designed for those looking to protect their homes without the implications that come with firearms. The Byrna Mission 4 offers a non-lethal alternative that doesn't compromise on effectiveness, stopping an assailant in their tracks while minimizing the risk of serious injury or legal complications. The Byrna Mission 4 shines with its impressive capabilities. Accurate up to 175 feet and with a velocity of 325 feet per second, it's designed to keep you safe from a distance. What sets it apart is its non-firearm status, which exempts it from the magazine capacity restrictions faced by traditional firearms. Its 19-round magazines are a significant asset, offering the ability to respond to threats with the volume of fire needed in a home invasion scenario. Moreover, the Mission 4 is powered by an 88G CO2 cartridge, capable of firing up to 60 rounds per cartridge. This efficiency is further enhanced by the gas on-off valve, ensuring that CO2 is maximized during use without waste. Its no waiting periods, background checks, or permits required policy means the Mission 4 can be shipped directly to your door, offering convenience and readiness without the hassle. Self-defense from a safe distance is a critical feature of the Mission 4. Unlike pepper sprays and stun guns that require close proximity to a threat, the Mission 4's effective range of 175 feet provides a significant advantage, allowing you to defend yourself and your family while maintaining a safe distance. The re-engineered design by Byrna, under 30 inches long and weighing just 5.6 pounds, makes handling both easy and enjoyable. Its high-performance inline bolt system, durable magnesium receiver, and anodized aluminum charging handle ensure reliability and durability. The inclusion of flip-up front and rear sights, a foregrip, and extensive rail systems for accessories further enhances its versatility and effectiveness in a variety of scenarios. One of the Mission 4's standout features is its coupled 19-round magazines, which allow for quick reloading or switching between ammo types seamlessly. This flexibility is invaluable in a dynamic home defense situation, where the ability to adapt quickly can make all the difference. In conclusion, the Byrna Mission 4 offers a compelling solution for those seeking a non-lethal home defense option. Its combination of range, capacity, and ease of use, coupled with the ability to ship directly to your door, makes it an attractive option for anyone looking to protect their home and loved ones. In a world where the unexpected can happen at any moment, the Byrna Mission 4 stands ready to provide peace of mind and reliable protection without the risk of lethal force.